Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 55. If we start with this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 4. Sorry. 4, 6 here, so 5, 6. For this bottom row, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 6 here and a 3 here, so this is our 1. 3 here, so 6, 3. For this box, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 covering both of these boxes, so our 8 has to be here. 3 here, so 9, 3. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 2. 1 here, so 5, 1. For this column, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 9. Don't see any other help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 3. 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row now, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 8. I don't see any other help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here. So that makes this our 7. That 7 makes this our 9. 4. That 9 makes this our 7. For this box, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. For this column now, we're missing a 6. For this column, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 3 and 4 here, so this is our 9. 4 here, so 3, 4. For this row now, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 9 here, so 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 2 and 7 here, so this is our 1. 2 here, so 7, 2. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. This 8 makes this our 5, 8. So for this box, we're missing a 9. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. And for this box now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.